Hey guys, I'm Molly from American Dream House, and I'm here today with my younger sister, Olivia, and we're so excited to show you a really cute way to create wall art that will motivate you for the new year. So the first thing you want to do is choose a color for your background. So I'm choosing a light pinkish purple. What are you going to do for your background?
I want to do like a dark blue because I feel like that reminds me of January. Winter.
Cute! Okay, so we're just gonna paint with a thick paintbrush. We're gonna paint the entire background, and don't forget to paint the edges. Make sure your paint is evenly coated. You don't have to press hard, you just lightly spread it across the entire surface. So now that we're done with our base coat, we're gonna set this aside to dry. And so that we're not bored while we're waiting, we're gonna make a little game plan for what the actual canvas is going to look like. So just using a normal piece of paper, Olivia and I are going to sketch out where we want to put the words on our canvas so that we're not confused when we just jump right in. Because it's January, we want to do a short phrase that's going to motivate us, because the whole theme is like, yay, new year, like let's get excited to blank. So my phrase is going to be, you got this, because that motivates me for whatever reason. And what did you choose for your phrase?
I chose to do never look back, because going into the new year, you don't want to think about anything in your past, you want to just move forward.
So you just want to make a square or two on your piece of paper that represents the canvas, and then sketch out your words. Then we're going to move on to actually doing the art piece. So have your little sketches visible so that you can refer back to them as you're painting. And now, what I like to do for the main part of this painting, which is the quote or the phrase, is take a little bit of white paint, and then you're going to lightly trace out where the words are going to go. Now I'm ready to jump in with the color that I'm gonna write the words in. So for mine, I'm doing a dark navy-ish color because I like a dark color on top of a light color. The contrast is nice. So what are you gonna do?
For the same thing, I'm gonna do a light color on a dark color for the contrast. So I'm gonna do white on top of the blue.
Opposites.
Opposites.
So now that we're gonna just paint our words, so now that we have our words there, we want to add some decorative elements. I think that I want to do some stars because, I don't know why, that just makes me think of like January and the New Year.
Yeah, stars and I think snowflakes.
Ooh.
Little dots, like snow.
Yeah, wintry vibes.
Wintry.
So you're just gonna take 2 to 3 colors. We want to keep this a limited palette. That's what they call it in art school, guys. And we're gonna just draw our stars, snowflakes, and then I'll show you a really fun way how to do dots. Okay, so now if you want to do dots, a really easy, fun way to do it is to take the back side of your paintbrush and to just dip it in the paint, and then you're just going to dot your dots. For the final step, we're going to take some embellishments, and you can get these at any arts and crafts store. I chose pearls and rhinestones for this. It's just what I'm into right now. And we're gonna stick them on throughout the entire piece. And you want to make sure that you're putting them, how do you describe that?
Yes, like all around between the stars.
Because you want your eyes to fully move around the whole piece, so don't clump them all in one area. You just wanna wait for everything to dry. Give it probably like 15, 20 minutes. And then you can hang it on your wall.
Perfect. Yay.
Yours looks really, really cute.
Thank you.
I love it.
They look good together.